Welcome back to our www weekly Wednesday walkthrough tutorial series, where we walk you through a feature on Doma. Today is part 2 of subdomains, and we're going to look at marketplace actions for your subdomains, how to list, buy, and make offers. First thing you'll want to do is head over to your portfolio and switch to the Subdomains tab. Here you'll see all the subdomains you've already minted. To list a subdomain on the marketplace, simply open the Actions dropdown and click List. This will take you to the domain page, where you can list your subdomain for sale. Here, you'll fill in the listing price, set an expiry date for how long the listing should stay live on the marketplace, and then confirm everything with your wallet. That's it. Your subdomain is now listed on the marketplace. On the domain page, you can also see any offers you've received. If you navigate back one step, you'll see your offers, the top offers, and the listed price all in one place. If you want to browse subdomains, head over to the Explore page and select Subdomains. Here you'll find all available subdomains, and you can filter them by listed price. Found a subdomain you like? Just click into it and place an offer. Enter the offer price, set the expiration, and confirm with your wallet. And if you find a subdomain that's already listed at a price you're happy with, simply click into it and hit buy. That's all for today. You've now learned how to list, buy, and make offers, the basic marketplace functionality for subdomains on Doma. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and follow us on X to stay updated. Thanks, fam, and see you next Wednesday for another episode of WWW.